On Friday, July 8, 2011, NASA launched its last mission to the moon with the Space Shuttle Atlantis. This launch symbolized the end of a 30-year program and hopefully the beginning of more innovative technology to take astronauts far beyond the moon.
NASA has given out $269.3 million in total to 4 different companies to inspire the growth of technology to travel to space in the private sector. Many smaller organizations have signed the Space Act agreements with NASA, which has the commercial companies develop and provide vehicles to launch shuttle systems, but receive no funding from NASA itself.
One of the smaller companies, Alliant Tech Systems, has developed a private spaceship and rocket called Liberty. It would allow people to fly to Earth's low orbit and back. Another space flight firm, Sierra Nevada Corp., has also developed a small space plane called the Dream Chaser. This will be used to transport NASA astronauts to the International Space Station, then back to Earth. Both programs will prove useful in the near future because as of right now, the only way to get our astronauts on the moon is to be taxied by the Russian Soyuz vehicles.
The United States is working on a space launch system which will replace the retired space shuttles and in the future lift astronauts and hardware to not only to the moon but to asteroids and even Mars.
Like America, other countries are working to expand space exploration. There is a nonprofit organization called Mars One that plans to establish a permanent human colony on Mars by 2023. It is led by Bas Landstrop, a Dutch entrepreneur. 2016 will mark the start of the colonization effort when a supply mission carrying supplies and solar panels will be launched to Mars. In 2018, a settlement rover will find an ideal place for the humans to live. Then in 2021, the rovers will prepare 6 units that will sustain human life. In 2022, 4 selected applicants will be launched and should land on Mars by 2025. Then 4 people will be sent to Mars every 2 years after that.
Though NASA has stopped sending missions to the moon, other programs have taken up the responsibility to further explore the universe.